Hi ladies, this is Jackie with Scarf Art. Welcome to the Scarf Art channel. Thanks for joining me today. I have more Memorial Day looks for you. So today we'll be working with a blue scarf that has white stars, and this is a long scarf. So with this one, I mean, you can do pretty much a lot of things with this particular scarf, but we'll just do a couple of looks today, and hopefully you will be able to grab your rubber band and work with me today, in not actually tying the scarf. It's going to look like it's tied, but it's not actually tied. We're going to use a rubber band. So this is the trick of tying a scarf or having a scarf look like you tied it without tying it, if that will work for you. Okay, so if you have a long scarf, if you'll grab a long semi-wide scarf, this one's probably about 13, 14 inches and about wide, and then about, I don't know, maybe 50, 55 inches long for the most part. But what you're going to do with this one is you're going to fold it here, put it around your neck, right? Okay, so we're going to keep both ends even for the most part, and then take our rubber band. Make sure you have your rubber bands on your wrist for the most part, and then take the scarf tightly, and then you're going to take it and you're going to do it like this. Pull this part up, pull this part in, and it depends on, we're going to make a bow, so it depends on how big you want your bow, if you want a big bow or if you want a little bow. So actually, let's do this. Let's start with a little bow. Let's start with a small bow, and then we can actually make it into a big bow. So again, take both parts here, and if you want to make a small bow, this part has to be small because this is actually the bow part, right? So we're going to take this here, and then we're going to take the rubber band, put it around the bow here, or what is going to be a bow, and we're putting around the scarf as if we are putting around a ponytail for the most part. Okay, so this will be a small bow, and all you do is spread out each side of the scarf. This is one side. I'm going to open this up just a little bit here. Okay, this is one side of the scarf, so this would be one side of the bow. So here we go, and we've already made one bow here, right here. Make it even for the right look. Make sure you pull the scarf out as much as possible there. Okay, and then you go to the other side, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to spread that side out, keeping it even. And sometimes, ladies, this may take a little bit of practice. I've been doing scarves, for a long time. So this may take a little bit more practice if you've not worked with scarves before, or if you're new to scarf tying, it may take a little bit more practice, but you'll get it. It's pretty easy. You do that, you do that, spread it out, spread the scarf out, keeping it's still folded, so you're keeping both pieces together, but you're making sure that it's even, right? And then you just take it and you do that, and there's a small bow. That's a small bow. But if you wanted to make it into a bigger bow, then what you would do, ladies, is just spread it out, and you can see the material is coming up, and that makes it a bigger bow, depending on what size bow that you want, what you're trying to achieve with the scarf, the look that you're trying to achieve with the scarf. You can do that and make it a bigger bow. And you can see it's a totally different look. So you can always adjust it, with the rubber band. And that's the good thing about having a rubber band, is that you can adjust it. So you can make it smaller and bring the excess fabric down, or you can make it larger if you decide to do so, if that's what you want to do with your particular look. Now you can also, with this, make one piece, and I would wear this particular scarf with maybe a t-shirt like what I have on today, maybe some shorts or tank, depending on where you're going. I mean, if you're going to something that is Memorial Day official, formal, I would wear a dress with it, a white dress or a red dress, to really make it pop. Or if you are going to a pool party or a barbecue, you'd wear a tank and some shorts, and pretty much that would be your outfit. But it depends on where you're going for the most part. Now, the other way you can wear this, same thing, make sure it's straight, make sure it is folded again, right? And then we're going to do this. Pretty much the same thing. The only difference is that we're going to make one big bow as opposed to two bows. And a lot of ladies like that as well. So, again, take this, go up. You're going to make this one big because you want it, you know, to be big. So you take the rubber band, put the rubber band around both pieces of the scarf, but you're going to make it look like one big bow. So what you do is you take one side of the scarf, right? And you're going to put both sides into, you're going to spread the scarf, one side of the scarf out totally, right? And then you're going to put the other side of the scarf inside of the scarf. Now, on the inside of it, if you want to, you can spread it out, but you can just leave it in there. It's still going to have the same effect. And then you can take the excess part of it and then put that inside as well. And there you go. And you can make this as large or as small as you would like to wear it. But that's another way that you can wear this particular scarf. All right, ladies, that's it for today, pretty much. Memorial Day outfit. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to the Scarf Art channel and share this video with your friends, family, those ladies that like scarves or would like to know how to wear scarves. We have lots, you can see we have lots of videos on our channel, so stay tuned. We have more to come for Memorial Day and for upcoming just general holidays, and also, you know, just general, you wear scarves pretty much to work. You can wear them for everything. So stay tuned, ladies. I'll see you next time. Thank you.